the Nava Rose channel. I have a special guest, Oliver. He's here and he's slipping off my legs right now. I just wanted to drag him for this intro. As you guys can tell by the title of this video, I attempted and tried to style and slay Walmart clothes. A lot of people think that Walmart clothes aren't really like the best clothes, or like they're not very trendy or anything like that. Walmart is probably like one of my favorite stores. I'm literally there 5 days out of the week. Recently I've been seeing like 1 or 2 clothes that I was like, that's actually kind of cute and I would actually buy that, which is one of the reasons why I want to do this challenge, and to kind of like maybe open up some other people's minds about Walmart clothes. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next time that I post. Oh my gosh, I'm like on a stooly thingy so I can like spin and stuff. It's like so fun. All of the living room and stuff. Anyways, I'm gonna do a haul with like all the stuff that I bought. But first, I'm gonna take you guys on this little Walmart trip when I was shopping. So, dun dun dun, we made it. This is a super center, so it should have super things. All right, you guys, we are in Walmart. I'm actually pretty excited. And for today's Walmart shopping outfit, this is actually from Target. It's like super fuzzy. I kind of want one. I am not kidding, guys. These are actually really cute. Oh, they have a blue one? Like BTS Jimin? What? For $10, I literally just got here and there's so much cute stuff. Walmart, I am very proud of you. It comes with jewelry. They said 3 for 1. I love a package deal. What is this material? It's like a suede velvet. I'm a little confused right now, but I like it a lot. I feel like this is something you could find at Zara for sure. These are the main reason why I came. I'm so hungry, but luckily there's a McDonald's. I'm so going there. They have auto monsters here. I want these. Look how adorable this little baby faded denim jacket is. I want to buy this for the future son that I do not have right now. Can I fit into it? Oh my gosh, $12 guys, $12. Oh my gosh, BTS merch. I am so getting this. Some girl brought her dog to Walmart and the dog straight up pooping in the aisle. Here's all the damage that I'm doing. Also, don't judge me. I went to go get some groceries. So I just finished at Walmart and I need to rethink some of the things that I bought because I spent like $200. So that was my little Walmart haul. Also, I got a DM the day after and someone was like, was that you at Walmart? And it totally was. So if you guys ever see me in public, come say hi. Even if I have like no makeup on or anything, we'll just say hi to you guys and give you like the biggest hug ever because I love you guys. So yeah, don't be shy. I'm usually by myself all the time, so come say hi. Anyways, okay, so I'm gonna get onto this haul. I actually bought way more stuff than I expected to, and I won't show everything that I got in the haul because some of them were just like the joggers. I also bought some cuties and some guacamole, you know what I mean? So the first item is this really soft furry jacket. I don't even know what kind of fur this is. I should know because I'm in the fashion industry, but I can't think of it right off the top of my head and I don't want to Google it right now because I don't have time for that. It has like a cute little like half zip green zipper with pockets. I got this one in an extra large and this is the cream color. I am literally so obsessed with this. It's only $10. Like $10. It's like the best thing ever. Like I love this so much. I wanted to buy it in all the colors, but I don't have room in my closet for that, nor should I even, nor should anyone even. Too many furry jackets, says someone that has 20 fur coats in her closet. I also could not resist and I got the blue color as well. This one I actually got in a size medium. Same exact $10 jacket, but just in blue. I got it mainly because it reminded me of BTS Jimin's outfit from Spring Day. We're like matching kind of. Aww. Guys, I'm so obsessed with this sweater. It's so fuzzy. You like it too? I know. I'm so glad that I got this in an extra large because you guys know me. I love to wear like all my sweaters as dresses. I'm just wearing like normal high-waisted shorts under these. And then I paired this sweater with my thigh-high toe boots. This is such an LA outfit though because it's like you're wearing a sweater because it's cold outside, but then you also have no pants on. Oliver does not like to sit on hardwood floor, so he's literally just sitting on my dress like the smallest piece of fabric on the ground. Oliver.
And the next item is the main reason why I kind of wanted to start this challenge. And it's this plaid houndstooth blazer dress. Literally every time I go to Walmart, I pass by this, and every single time I'm always like, that's a cute blazer. I would buy it. I actually bought it this time. Surprisingly, it was $20 though. It was kind of a little expensive, but they do have some quality stuff. I was just assuming that this was going to be like $15, only because like my furry coats were only $10. So I was like, yeah, heck yeah, like it's gonna be super cheap. So yeah, this was like the main reason why I wanted to do this challenge. So I'm excited to dress this one up. I 1,100% thought that this blazer had a button. It does not. So I'm just gonna hold it right here. So for this blazer dress, I just paired it with a little bralette. That way you could do a little peekaboo to my Stussy bralette and some thigh-high boots. I actually do wish now that I got this in a small because this medium is kind of a little boxy for me. I mean, it's not that bad, but I think a small would have looked so much better. I'm not really digging these ruched sleeves either. I'm probably gonna stitch that. I also stopped by the little girl section and I picked up these cute socks. I've been obsessed with like ankle socks, but the ones that show your ankle like this much. To be honest, I don't even know if they fit. I just bought them, so we'll just see. What? They do. They don't really fit my foot all the way, but it's okay. A tip, for someone that's short, I think it's best to show as much leg as you can because it just like elongates you. So that's why I like these little ankle socks. Why did I have my foot up this whole time? Like I could have put my foot down the whole time that I was talking. Whatever. Came in a pack of 6 and they all come in different colors. So yeah. See how cute these socks are? I like them because they only go up to here and they show like all of this leg, you know? Ooh. This one I'm not gonna style because it's a t-shirt and I just wanted to show you guys what I got because I loved it so much. So in the little girl section, I found this really cool Hogwarts holographic tee and I saw it and I was like, I freaking need it. Plus it was only $7. This is a size large. So this one fits me perfectly. I love it so much. I also got a couple things from the little boy section and I got these acid wash jogger pants. There was a sticker here that said comfy like sweatpants and I hope that they are true to their word and I hope it's comfy like sweatpants. But I really like them because they kind of reminded me of the pants that Ariana wore in her Instagram. These were $15. I mean like 14 and 92 cents, but whatever. These are the size, these are in, oh wait, these are Levi's? These are a size 16 regular in the boys size section, whatever. I was totally going for Ariana Grande look here, but just like monochrome version. What do you guys think? Did I succeed? So this top is actually from Target. These padded boots are from Forever 21. These are like one of my favorite boots actually. Are they comfy like sweatpants? They actually are comfy like sweatpants. Yes, Walmart, Target, walk, let's go. So I also wanted to pick up a dress because I realized I didn't really pick up any women's clothes that are actual clothes and not jackets. So I picked up this striped ribbed dress. It's really long. I think it's supposed to be a midi dress, but it doesn't fit me because I'm really short, so I'm most likely 100%, knowing me, I'm gonna cut it into a crop top and then wear the bottom as a skirt. This one was $15 and this one is in the size extra small. Totally reminds me of like the 2000 era. So yeah. So I ended up cutting the dress into 2 pieces because when I put it on, it was just like way too long, also because I'm just like really short. So I decided to cut it into a 2-piece set. From the front, it doesn't look that bad. Don't be fooled, guys. I tied it. I mean, this dress in general isn't really flattering, I guess you can say. I think it was just like all these. I kind of feel like I look like Jupiter or Saturn or whatever planet has like all the stripes and stuff. I totally blend in with the wall right now. Yo, but as a top, this is actually cute. I feel like if you were to find this at like a regular store, like at a mall, it would be $15 for this shirt. So just go to Walmart, guys. Cute, yes. I kind of want to do a video now where like I upcycle some Walmart clothes to make them cuter. So let me know, you guys, if you want to see that as like the next Walmart video challenge thing. I totally thought I was gonna find a pair of really cute boots, but I didn't. So you guys know how the chunky sneaker trend from the 90s is really making a comeback right now. So Walmart has their own version. This is the brand Avia? Yeah, I don't know. Anyways, they have like champagne glitter panels like in the inside, and when I saw them, I'm like, ah. These were actually $20, which isn't the cheapest, but I guess for Walmart, it's a pretty good price. For like sneakers in general, I guess it's a really good price because it's like $20 sneakers, and as they got memory foam on the inside, so yeah. I just like them because they're glittery and they're chunky and they're semi-platform. I got these in a size 6.5, which are pretty true to size. I saw this photo of the bikini and she paired it with some chunky white shoes. So I was like, you know what? Let me try it with my Walmart shoes, and they don't look that bad. I just really like that they're sparkly. Do you think we could make Walmart shoes trendy, you guys? Should we start a trend? Should we do it? Yeah! And last but not least, my most favorite item of this haul and this whole little Walmart challenge. I found this really cool faded black denim jacket in the little boy section, and it was like only $12 and it fits perfectly. This is in a size large and it fit me perfectly, and I'm usually like a small, extra small. If you guys ever see this in Walmart, pick one up because they didn't really have that much jackets left, but like, look. Fits so well. Seriously, little Tommy is not gonna have any clothes because I'm gonna be stealing all the clothes in the girl section and the boy section. So Connor's watching Westworld right now, and I like literally like looked, and the moment I turned to the screen, some girl was like cutting off some guy's head. I'm just like, wait, what? I'm so confused right now. Anyways, so I haven't watched Westworld, but supposedly it's good. Right now I'm watching Haunting Haunting House. What? Wait, what am I trying to say? Hill House. Hill House wait, what? The Haunting of Hill House. A very typical Nava Rose outfit with the little bralette, oversized jacket, some shorts, and combat boots. So styling this denim jacket wasn't that hard. I mean, a lot of people have denim jackets and you literally just throw it over any outfit and it looks cool. Anyways, I'm just wearing this upcycled Everlast crop top that I made. These lace-up shorts are from Fashion Nova, and my platinum Doc Martin boots. Let's go little boy section. Yeah. That was all for my little haul, so enjoy this quick little lookbook that I put together with all my styled Walmart outfits.
Hey, yeah, vamos a darle a esto. Si tú estás molesto, sácalo del cuerpo. Olvida todo lo malo, ya no damos ese cuento. Porque no te toma algo que te quite eso. Busca quien te guste para que le robe un beso. Baila con el ritmo y no te queda atrás. Moviendo tu cuerpo, dale dure. El corazón se te acelera, la presión aumenta. Y el DJ pone la música para que todo se prenda. Hay que tomar y no vamos a parar. Quien quiere gozar, gritar y bailar. Y que no importe lo que te dirán, la vida es corta, no vamos a parar. Échale la culpa al alcohol. Échale la culpa al alcohol. Échale la culpa al alcohol.
If you guys enjoy this challenge and want to see more challenges like this, maybe I'll go to, where else can I go to? I don't know, let me know below if you guys want to see more videos like this, and if you guys have any suggestions, put them in the comments below as well. I'm still shocked that I spent $200 at Walmart. I had to double check that. And thank you to Sony Music Latin for sponsoring this video. The song in the lookbook is called Jaleo by Nicki Jam and Steve Aoki, so if you guys like that song, go ahead and check it out down in the description box. If you guys want to connect with me on social media, all my socials are at thenavarose. I don't know why I'm so like, that's all I have for this video. I love you guys all so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!